Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1959 Triumph TR3. Got Steven, the owner here, who's going to tell us a little about it. How are we doing today, Steven?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, cool car. So this was your dad's car.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Beautiful color too. These are the cars that started it all. So how long did your dad own it?
40 years.
Wow.
40 years. Been in the garage every day.
Really cool. Love the low slung doors too. Leather seats. 4-speed manual.
Yep. 4-speed, 4-cylinder, dual carbs.
Oh, love these wire wheels too. They're knockoffs, huh?
Yeah.
Old school. Little luggage rack on the back. Runs nice, huh?
Yep. Runs great. Starts right up. Been on the highway with it. Used it a couple times.
Your son drives a little more than you, huh?
Yeah. Plays with it.
Love this Banjo wheel. 65,369 miles. Full gauges too. Love that little pull vent. I guess your dad's name was Ed?
Yep.
Cool.
That's his name.
This is a tonneau cover. Kind of goes over and protects the interior.
Do have a soft cover for it also.
Very nice. You pop the hood? You need a special tool for that, right?
Yep. Got a couple extras of them too.
That's important to have.
Yeah, because I lose things.
You and everyone else. Beautiful paint. What's the color called? You know what the color's called? And the paint?
Honestly, it's a Chevy Camaro color.
Oh.
It's not an original color, of course.
Oh, it looks great. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. So a little 4-cylinder.
Yep.
Dual Webers.
Yep. I think they're Webbers. I don't know a lot about his car. It was his toy.
Yeah. He probably had one when he was a kid.
I even got spares for this. I got spare Webbers.
Cool.
Or spare carburetors if they're not Webbers.
Nice how that's nicely polished and stuff.
He took care of it. It was his toy. Won a lot of shows.
I bet. You don't see these around.
Nah.
Pretty rare piece. Fun. Is it a 6-volt or 12-volt?
It's 12 volt.
Love the forward mirrors too. Really neat. Was the TR3 the first one? Then they made the 4 and then the 6?
No, they actually had a TR2.
They had a TR2.
Yeah. And then I think TR3 started in 57 or 58.
Love the full leather, added seat belts. You put a CB in it.
Yeah, he used to take it places, and just in case he got stuck, he can call somebody.
Yeah.
Because he didn't have a cell phone at the time.
Oh.
It was 40 years ago.
Wow. Nobody had a cell phone back then.
Nah, it was nice.
Yeah, it was nice. So cool. Can you fire it up? Love to hear it. Love the low slung doors. You can hang your arm right out of it.
Did it lock?
Oh, and you got original clamps in here.
They showed him he was climbing in. I don't know why the door not
You gotta climb in.
No, the door opens, but
You just opened it.
it's not opening now.
Probably locked. Oh, so they added a 12-volt adapter too. That's cool. And,
Yeah, he's got extra
volts
cooling
gauge.
fans in here and
Oh,
everything.
Cool. Cool. Push button start. Neat.
Yep.
And what are these levers? Choke.
You got choke, you got lights,
Yeah.
wiper, directionals work.
Oh, directionals on the wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I even got a spare one of these.
Cool.
That's supposed to light up with the directional, but it's not lighting up. I don't know what the story is.
Pretty cool. Little pull vent right there. Cute. Runs nice, huh? Yeah, fun. You know, there's something about these simple cars that are just fantastic. Yeah. From a simple time. Horn works. I love this paint too.
Yeah, it
looks really nice.
It's starting to feel a little along the edges. It's starting to show its 40-year restoration.
So the resto is about 40 years old.
Yeah.
It's a super nice driver though. I like his CB antenna right there. Pretty cool. Such a cute little car. It almost looks like a Sprite up front, you know? Yeah. Ah. Cool. Ah. Pretty neat. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 150 photos of today I took on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.